Today I want to walk you through this magical formal potager garden that is tucked inside this courtyard space. So these beds are corten steel, and there are 4 L-shaped beds and then 1 center square bed. These beds are so easy to tend, and I love the formal potager layout where you can reach from side to side and basically have all kinds of herbs and greens and veggies at your fingertips. So come inside, let me show you what it looks like. We have lots of stepping stones to make gardening very convenient. And then all these herbs and flowers. We've got squash that are starting to come up from seed here in these center beds. We've got some peppers here. Here in the back, we have panel trellises, and we've got beans that are starting to come up. These are bush beans from seed. We're gonna have some pole beans climbing on these panel trellises. Back here, we've got this huge pepper. It's so tall that it needs a trellis to support it. Flowers and more oregano. We have more basil. I mean, this, I think our client needs to make a year's supply of pesto from here. It's amazing. Then over here, we have all of these tomatoes. We have beans, we have oregano, chives, and sage. So I love this space. This was created to really maximize all that was here in this courtyard. And with the formal potager, they're really able to create a place that basically just fills this entire courtyard with green. I love it. Thanks so much for taking a tour with me and for bringing back the kitchen garden.